Welcome to Bone Cottage. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa cum bed, tea table and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have a large glass panel here. After that we will go inside. So we have a dining area on the left side. You can see here the dining counter with two chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and here is the wash basin, and on the right side we have washroom plus water closet here for common use. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go inside, so on the right side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also wardrobe arrangement. We have a TV unit on the front wall and study table with chair and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. On the left side we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this kitchen area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.